These are Occiam true wireless earbuds. It says open. This is the user manual. Let's take it out. And here it is. There's a green power light. Open it up. There's the earbuds. This is the charging port. These are the accessories. These are different connections to put in your earbuds. This is the charging cord. There it is. This we use to charge the earbuds case. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to take out the earbuds. This is for the left ear. This one's for the right ear. I'm going to go to my settings. I'm going to go to my Bluetooth. I'm going to turn it on. Okay. Scan for available devices. X2 is what I want to pair. I'm just going to click on it, and it is pairing. And it is connected. Okay, these are awesome. I can hear the video I'm watching, and it sounds very clear, and they fit nice. I would recommend these.